the Starry Snapper. Let's put it up for offer. Putting out the Starry Snapper, going once, going twice, going through time. I want to offer. Okay, offer. Okay, let me just get up here. Yep, hold on, guys. Okay, I have my offer. Offer simple dimple, and this puppet. Oh, and I'll offer that. Oh my god, yes, I just actually started creating the hub today. So, thank you. Oh my gosh. Guys, I got my dream fidget. Oh, it's so nice. I love how this is pink and this is blue. It's so nice. Let's test out the pop. The other ones I don't really care about. I love it so much. Also, hold on, guys. Offer for this. Jeez, okay. I'm getting tired of my pockets. Oh my god. Add that color changing needle and you have a deal. Oh my god. You're so greedy. You got a deal. Also, just saying you guys, and let's play with this. Okay, fine. You can offer for these. Okay, just 1 second. Guys, I'm gonna scam her. This doesn't actually really spin, so I'm gonna scam her. I'll offer this spinny dimple. Oh my god, accept. I really feel bad for scamming you, but I'm sorry, but you just got scammed again. You shouldn't play with someone who scammed you the first time. Anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed. People say I come off really awkward. You know I don't mean no harm. I'm just trying to be myself, but sometimes I get confused because I can't read social cues through my inhibitions out the door. I don't have an excuse, I'm just living in my youth. Don't know why people don't like me more. I have no friends, but that's okay. I don't need them anyway. I do my best all on my own.